Hon, you're making mung beans. What do you call these beans in the Philippines?
Ilonggo people call, it's a dialect, Ilonggo, right?
Yeah. Tagalog is the
Mongo.
national language.
Yes, I don't know how they call that. Mongo,
Mungo.
green beans.
So what did you put in here first? You got tomatoes in there.
Yeah, I saute garlic, sliced garlic.
Wait, hold on a second. So the beans were soaked overnight. You left some of the water in the beans when you put it in here? Did you put some of the water of the beans first, or what did you put in first?
I just rinse it. Sometimes there's like a little particles I need to get rid.
What, they float to the top?
Yeah, they float to the top. So I soak it overnight.
Yeah.
Then I started to, after that, I saute, of course, olive oil, garlic, onion, tomatoes. You know, you can put.
I smell fish sauce.
Hold on. So garlic,
Oh.
tomatoes, onion, tomatoes. Then I put slice of jalapeno. Remove the seeds because they want too hot, right?
Yep.
And mix the beans that we soaked last night.
Yep. So you didn't cook the beans at all. They're just soaked, and now you're just gonna cook them like that.
Yeah, like saute together with the onion, and now you have to boil because you need to soften the.
Yeah, but it's not like a traditional, like say, pinto beans or black beans. You gotta boil for a long time or simmer for a long time. These you don't simmer for very long. How long? Like.
Well, if you soak it overnight,
Yeah.
the mung beans start to get softened, so you don't need
Yeah.
to boil it for a long time.
Yeah.
But
I've
Filipinos, I never tried until I moved here.
for soaking.
When we do the Philippines, we soak it. We don't soak in the
Yeah,
Philippines.
I've seen people on YouTube. They don't soak them. They just go straight to cooking.
Yes, but
yeah,
it's gonna be a lot longer.
Take a longer, yeah.
So I
you put in,
a little,
this is just for
a
flavor?
little bit of this, adobo,
Adobo,
a chicken bouillon.
Yeah, anybody can do whatever
garlic,
flavors they
yeah,
like.
Those, it's up to you. Sometimes I season my own different thing. I put a little fish
Are you
sauce.
gonna add shrimp to it?
Yes, some of them you put.
Oh, here's the fish sauce.
I leave it until it's because we don't want to mix it right now because
Yeah.
it's gonna be harder.
Yeah, yeah.
So I put a little fish sauce. Sometimes you don't need to. I
Yeah.
put a little bit of bagoong. That's a paste, Filipino paste.
That's soy sauce right there. She just
Shrimp
grabbed.
salted shrimp paste.
Yeah.
A little bit of this because my mom used to cook something
What's-
and she put a little bit of that. We call
Yeah.
that palagtik. It's like the taste.
Yeah.
The taste changes.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
Something. So
What's with the zucchini?
you can put like green beans too. Mix
Just
it there later
towards
on.
the very end. Yeah.
Yeah, so you put some zucchini.
Oh, you got greens for here?
Hang on. I get a greens too. So let me
Really?
put some water. Oh, forgot the water need to be. Hang on. I fill up with water because this one it's gonna be expanding.
Yeah.
So let me go get some. Sorry, now it's all over the place. All right, I can put a little bit of soy sauce. So later on, you're gonna try it. You need more salt. I don't put salt. I just use
Yeah.
all the seasoning that
This
I
is
have.
this is Asian salt.
Yeah,
Here, that's Asian
No,
salt.
that's kekuman.
But no, it's what?
Kekuman.
Yeah, I might call it Asian salt, soy
Okay,
sauce.
that's
But this is salty too. You gotta be careful with this.
yeah. So that's why I don't put salt. Those are salty already.
Yeah.
So now I have to pour a lot of water because once you boil this, it's gonna expand. It's gonna dry out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so keep putting a lot of water. Hold on. I put a little bit of those. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
What, like a couple of drops here, or just sprinkle a little bit?
I did eyeball. I don't
Yeah.
have measurement.
Yeah. Nobody
You
measures,
know?
man. We're just this is.
Measurement is not.
Yeah.
That's not common in the Philippines. We just throw
course.
here, throw there, throw
Same
there,
here.
throw there, and
Same
later
here.
on the last part, they said if you need more salt, if you need more pepper.
Yeah.
I haven't even put
I don't even measure when I do pancakes. I just add water, and then
Yeah.
when I need more water, I add more water.
because well, that's like.
Oh, a little pepper. I like it. That's my favorite spice right
So
there.
we need to put more water. At least
Yeah. Really?
it's gonna
Expand that much?
dry out.
When you eat this, is it gonna when you serve it? Is it gonna be like a soup?
You don't eat it like soup, like
Or do you put it over rice?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
I
a
got you.
rice thing.
I'm picking up what you're putting down.
Hannah loves that. It's just sometimes it's because of beans, it doesn't want to have a loading stomach. So we add later on because it's gonna dry up.
TMI.
This one is not enough. Beans
Really?
more. Yes.
Are you serious?
It's gonna dry, honey.
These little beans?
Oh yeah. There's a lot of
Even
beans.
after they've been soaked.
You make a lot of beans. I normally don't
I did
cook
1
that.
pound. I did 1 pound.
I only cook half of
I
that
soaked 1 pound.
before.
That's a half a pound. So basically, that's a half a pound of soaked beans.
I normally no, that's 1 pound.
No, you put them all in there.
The one that
The ones that I soaked.
Yes.
Oh, it's all in there. Oh, okay, so
So
that's
that's
1
1
pound.
pound.
Okay, I just
I
like the
add
I don't like the
a little
glare.
bit. Just keep it boiling. Then now I have to put some slice this. This is at the end. Once once the beans is soft, probably I'm gonna put that shrimp too. Sometimes you can put chicken. You
Yep.
can put pork.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's no meat, nothing, just vegetable, but it adds the flavor.
Do you like your rice wet or dry?
Well, I like dry. Well, I remember my mom and my dad, they're fighting how to make rice back home.
Oh yeah.
My dad wants
Jasmine
wet
rice.
one.
Jasmine rice.
No, a Filipino rice. There are different level of rice category in the Philippines. There's
Yeah.
like white. Those are expensive.
Yep.
Those darker, like you look brown. Those are cheaper.
Really?
Filipino doesn't like those kind of rice. They like the white one.
Okay.
But
I'm assuming it's jasmine, but anyhow.
yeah, so there's no judgment.
So, oh no?
It's a Filipino rice.
Okay.
You know,
I'll look it up.
Philippines is surrounded with.
But what about so Mama and Papa fighting over what kind of rice they like? What's up
My
with that?
Mama wants dry rice. Papa wants like sticky, soft.
Little wet. I'm on Papa's side.
Wet. Yeah, so you're Papa's
I'm on
side.
Papa's side, yeah.
Hannah is Mommy's side.
Yeah.
Hannah's taste is like Mama.
When I reheat rice after it's cold,
Yeah.
I'll add water to it, moisten it up a little bit.
Yeah.
How about you?
No.
That's really dry.
I just cover with tissue paper.
Toilet paper.
Yeah.
Yeah. that's it.
Tissue paper, then wet it, and that's covered. And that
When do you add these greens at the very end?
yeah, you need to make sure that it's gonna dry.
Yeah. So
I know
you're
it's
just
gonna soft.
Yeah.
Green beans, sorry.
yeah. So you're just doing food prep now, basically.
So we need to wash this nice in it. You know why? Look at this.
Sand.
This is we call it bok choy here, but
Yeah.
we call in the Philippines pichay.
Pichai.
Pichay.
How come? And it sounds like we call pizza. You call it pizza.
Pichay.
Pichai.
This pichay is so big. Normally, most of the pichay I noticed when I was in the Philippines,
Yeah.
it's smaller.
Oh, really?
Like this size.
Really?
Like this one. Not
Really?
this big one.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
So it's interesting when I move here. I say, oh my gosh, they are all giant. Potatoes are giant.
How about the garlic? When you buy garlic at Market Basket, is it bigger in Market Basket or back home?
We have small and we have big there.
Yeah.
So you need to, every piece. Yesterday I have to wash because I didn't realize there's a lot of sand inside. I don't want to eat the mud,
Yeah.
So because they grow in the mud.
Of course. All right, you want me to stop it for now and then come back?
Sure,
Okay.
please.
Okay.
Hi. Normally what I do when I saute onion, garlic, and whatever, I saute the shrimp, but at this time I just wanna kind of saute with a little bit of olive oil and mix later on because I don't want to it's gonna be harder. I'm not sure.
So wait. So what you want to keep this? You want to saute the shrimp on the side first,
Yes.
and so it would be a little firmer than if you put it in the soup and it would get soft.
Mhm.
Okay.
Normally I mix everything, but I heard you have to, when you cook this, don't overcook. It's gonna gamey. I don't know.
It's gamey. Yeah,
it's
maybe.
like rubber. What I'm saying
Yeah,
is like rubber
yeah.
thing.
So yeah, it'd be too
But
soft
anyway,
then.
it's very simple. Just a pail of bed, and after that, mix it then. Because I think my mango beans start to get softened. Look at that.
Ooh.
So I put it on low because I boiled it. So I think, look at that, it's already opening. So let it dry there, let it boil more.
So wait, the last things you're gonna add, you're gonna saute the shrimp, right? Just
Yeah.
and then you're just gonna add the veggies towards the very end,
Yeah.
and then serve it over
I
rice.
can even put that one. I'm gonna try the beans first. If it's okay now, then I can food. Separate, make sure you cut for the one.
Mango beans.
I'm gonna put some seasoning because this is, I just only
Mango
put a
like
bit.
candy.
Yeah, it's already soft. It's ready to put the rest of the ingredients. Let me cook this first, okay? Then once I cook this, then ready to go. I put the vegetable with this.
Dump it in. I want to hear that sizzle.
I just rinse
You
it.
just cook it frozen like that.
No, I rinse it.
You rinsed it. That's how you thawed it out.
Yeah, it's okay. I didn't.
Filipino style.
I never even. No, we don't cook frozen there.
No, of course not.
They're all fresh.
You're right.
Over here, everything is fresh. So what can I do? I forgot to thaw it last night.
I'd thrown frozen burgers on and cooked them. They came out just
I
fine.
know, I don't like it, but it's gonna boil this, so it's gonna.
Your mouth is watering. That's why you're doing this. You just want to
So make
get in your
sure we
tummy.
saute them and turn pink. We don't want to put there without, like, cook it a little bit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
All right.
So yeah, once it's done.
Okay.
I'll let you-
You call me back. You call me
Yes.
back. All right. I'll be doing my thing.
All right.
All right. See you, Mama.
Okay, I think I can mix this one. My shrimp.
Wait, that was just like not even 2 minutes.
It's okay.
That fast?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
I just don't want to mix the water.
Yeah. Okay. So
Just like properly.
here you go. You want to strain it?
No, don't worry. I use this. No straining.
No straining? I'm ready for you, Mama.
I just put one piece at a time.
Oh,
I don't need to strain.
Filipino
Strain.
shortcut.
Yeah, it's Filipino shortcut. So now, how big we need to season
Seems
more?
like it takes longer, Mama.
Okay. I don't like to use the shrimp. So now, you have to mix everything. Vegetable. More vegetable is better. It's gonna shrink anyhow. The vegetable you don't even realize there's vegetable in it. Okay. So you can put everything because this vegetable it doesn't take long to cook.
All right.
So it kind of put in high, boil it. Just mix them up. Mix them up, baby. Then,
Wait, I gotta see what's going on over here.
okay,
Let's see here.
I'm making rice.
Oh, you don't have rice made?
Sorry about that.
Oh, you're slacking.
Just put it,
Woo!
put it low.
Wow. Want me to make the rice for you, Mama?
Do it because I put it on low and yeah, leave it there for now.
All right.
So, put it up.
All right. Wow, poor girl.
I forgot.
Your food's ready and your rice is not. That's a rookie mistake.
No, I thought we have plenty of rice. And I didn't
Well, I
realize-
kind of was helped myself to it with my black beans last night.
Yeah, so
All right.
I made 3 scoops of rice last night and boom.
Hey, what's your the name of your cooking channel?
I don't know. I don't have a cooking channel.
Oh.
It's a Greg channel. Spiky the. I don't know, whatever.
Wait, your nickname is Spicky. Why? Not Spiky, Spicky. Because you're spick and span.
Yes.
Spick and span. Literally. Look at this. This is just not a piece of dust anywhere in this house. This girl, every room smells fresh. All right.
I'll
Well,
make 3 scoop of rice.
Okay.
That way we have leftover. I can eat tomorrow.
all right.
I don't want to make tomorrow again.
So you're gonna eat some more mungo tomorrow with the rice?
Of course. I'm all
Absolutely.
set for probably, who knows, 2 days. I love my food. It's ready there. So we're gonna make 3 scoop of rice. Definitely this is not wet.
Oh, that smells so
I'm
good.
gonna season that because it needs more salt in it.
Yep. All right. Can I go now?
Yeah, go.
Okay, peace.
You need to put a lot of rice. It depends on how much you want. I like to have a lot of rice.
Well, if you're really hungry and you want to eat 1,000 of something, just eat rice. And then you can have 1,000 little tiny pieces of mungo beans.
Okay, now it's scooping time. Ooh. Wanna eat?
I knew you were going to start humming. I just knew it. Oh, wow.
Let's cover with rice. Boom.
Boom.
Ready to eat. Where's my spoon?
Stir that up a little bit. Let me see that. Oh.